Mango Lassi Indian yogurt drink. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped very ripe mango. See how to peel and chop mango, frozen chopped mango, or canned mango pulp. 1 cup plain yogurt. ½ cup milk. 4 teaspoons honey or sugar, more or less to taste. Ground cardamom, optional. Ice, optional. Directions: add ingredients to blender. Put mango, yogurt, milk, sugar and cardamom into a blender and blend for 2 minutes. If you want a more milkshake consistency and it's a hot day, either blend in some ice as well or serve over ice cubes. Serve. Pour contents into a glass and sprinkle with a tiny pinch of ground cardamom to serve. The lassi can be kept refrigerated for up to 24 hours.